Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Charles Schwab Index Fund to buy and hold forever, and here's a breakdown. If you want a true set and forget investment that grow with the market over decades, Charles Schwab offer a few index funds that are perfect for buy and hold investors. The Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund is a top choice. It's on a huge bundle of US companies across big, mid, and small caps, giving broad exposure with one simple fund. For global balance, the Schwab International Index Fund has companies outside the US, so your money isn't tied to just one market. Together, this fund covers most of the world economy with very low fee. Ideals if you plan to hold them forever. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and comment which index fund you would like to buy first. And that's it.